So this is one of the strongest tricks that you can do with 2 decks of cards. It is completely self-working. The method is absolutely genius, and you are going to fool yourself with this. Let's get into it. Okay, so both decks of cards are shuffled up. They're given a really good mix, and 2 spectators are going to help you with this. And from the second you give them the cards, you never touch the cards again, which makes this totally impossible. So each spectator has a deck of cards. This spectator goes through and they can choose any card, it doesn't matter what it is, they're completely free choice, and they're going to put it in front of the other spectator, like this. This spectator is also going to do the same, completely free choice, any card they wish, and put it in front of the other spectator. You then tell them that you're going to add cards to these cards until you get to the value of 10. So in other words, we're going to see what the values are at the moment. Perfect. We've got 10, which is already 10, so we don't need to add any cards to that. This is 9, so this person would add 1 card, making 10. They are then going to turn over the top 2 cards of each pile, again, like this. And again, they are going to put the cards on top of the other spectator's pile, like this. Okay, again, we're going to add cards until we get to the value of 10. So this person is 8, they would add 1, 2. And this person is already 10 because jacks, queens, and kings are 10s, so that's absolutely fine. For the final time, they're going to turn the top 2 cards over, like this. Perfect. And again, they're going to put their cards on top of the other spectator's pile, like this. It's totally random. This person has a 2, we need 10, so they would add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this person has an 8, so that is 9, 10. Now, guys, you haven't touched the cards. They've been doing this whole thing. And remember, at the start, they could have took any card and put it in front of the other spectator. But now we have a different number of cards in each pile. We have different values face up. It's totally random here. Here's the impossible thing. This is crazy. We're now going to add the values of the face-up cards. So this person would add the values 10 and 8 is 18, plus 2 is 20. They would count down 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The 20th card we're going to place here. This person adds the value as well. So 10 and 9 is 19, plus 8 would be 27. This person counts down 27 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. From 2 shuffled deck of cards to completely free choices, completely random cards, it would be totally impossible that these 2 cards would match perfectly. We have an absolutely killer trick. You guys are going to love this. Let's get into it. So guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like this one, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, what are you doing? Because I do videos every single Monday, 5 p.m. UK time. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video so you can learn a new trick to entertain your friends and family with. It's basically a no-brainer. This one is a really old trick, and it fooled the heck out of me. I was working on it, I thought there's no way this is gonna work, and it fooled me. So if it fooled you, let me know in the comments down below. It's a fantastic trick. I'm going to show you 2 ways to get into this trick, which is also very simple to do, and it means you can get into it at any time during your set. Guys, don't forget, if you want to upgrade your magic and take it to the next level in the easiest and fastest possible time, then I've got a bunch of courses down below. They are a collection of some of the greatest tricks that are easy and self-working and will make you look unbelievable. So put them in the description down below, follow the link and check those out. But right now we're going to get into the explanation for this one. Grab 2 decks of cards. Let's get into it. All right guys, so let's get into the explanation for this one. I love this trick. I think it's genius. It's a mathematical trick, so it blows my mind. I'm a sleight of hand guy, so I'm not used to mathematical principles, so it really fooled me when I tried this for the first time. And let me know if it fooled you in the comments down below. It's crazy. So there's 2 ways to do this trick. The first way is with a setup, it's super easy. And the second way is the way that I do it, which just means you can get into it at any time in your set. Anytime, you can get to it from 2 shuffled decks. So the first way for the setup is you're just going to take 2 cards that match and you put them 20th from the face. So in other words, I'm going to use the King of Hearts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and you do the same with the second half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now in both decks, the King of Hearts is 20th from the face, and you are good to go. Now, there's a better way to do this. It's the way that you can do it from a shuffle deck. Let me show you how to do it that way. All right, guys, so to get into this trick without a setup, it is super easy to do. You're gonna have one deck of cards just out of play, and you'll have been doing tricks with the other deck of cards. Now, you have a bunch of tricks on this channel, so choose your favorite and hit them with a few from this channel first, and then you're ready to go into this one. So let's say you've just done a bunch of tricks, right? These cards are thoroughly shuffled up. I've just finished a trick. Spectators are like talking to each other like, oh my God, he's incredible. How did he do that? While they're talking, you're just kind of thumbing through the cards like this. And all you're going to do is you're going to memorize the 20th card from the face. So I go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I see it's 3 diamonds, right? So just do that very, very quickly at the end of a trick. And no one's really paying attention, just looks like you're kind of playing with the cards. And then you just put the deck down like that. But I know that the 20th card is that 3 of diamonds. I remember that. Now I pick up these cards. You can hand them out to be shuffled. The spectator can mix these cards like so. And then you're just going to show them and say, look, this is a shuffle deck. You can see the cards are really well mixed. They're not in any order whatsoever. And what I'm doing is I'm just running through the cards and I'm looking for my 3 of diamonds. So you're running through the cards like this and you're saying, yeah, they are shuffled. It's pretty well shuffled, right? And I cut the cards. So my 3 of diamonds is on the face of my left-hand packet. And then as I put the cards together like this, I'm just going to make sure that that 3 of diamonds is now on the face of the pack, like so. You now say, you know in those tricks before, I might have gone through the cards like this and had you pick a card. Now what I'm doing here is I'm secretly counting 19 cards. It's a lot easier than it sounds. So you're just going to push the cards over 2 at a time. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 1, 19. And you do that under the guise of saying, now before I probably went through the cards like this and I had you pick a card, right? We're going to do something different. What I've done is I've got a break with my little finger under the 19th card, like so. So as I've spread over my cards, I've gone 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. I'm going to pull that back. Just the flesh of my little finger is inside, like that. Okay, it's a little finger break. Not the whole finger, so you can't see it from the front. These are put back on top. Now you've got a break with your little finger just under those 19 cards, and then you simply cut these to the face. And now you've just positioned the exact same card, your 3 of diamonds, 20th from the face. Now, it took me a while to explain that. It's actually really, really quick to do in real time, and you can get into this from a shuffle deck. Quick break. If you want to take your magic to the next level, then there's an easy and free way to do that. I've got a newsletter. It comes out every single month, and it's full of tips and tricks on how to be a better magician. So if you want to get free stuff and take your magic up a notch, then I'm going to pop that in the description down below. Follow the link, sign up, and every single month you're going to get free stuff. All right, guys, so let's get into the actual meat and how to do the trick. Now we have the cards in position. Now, if you've got into this from the cards being out in play from a shuffle deck, the way that I've just showed you how to do, then I would just go straight into the trick. They know these cards are shuffled. If you're doing it from a setup, I would strongly urge you to just give the cards a casual shuffle and keep those cards in position. And it's very, very simple to do that. All we're going to do, guys, is you're going to shuffle about half the cards into your left hand like so. You get about halfway, you're going to take this block and just throw it back underneath like so. And all it means is you're not disturbing the position of that 3 of diamonds. And in real time, it would look like this. Okay, just very casually like that. And you've kept your 3 of diamonds in position. Now, the rest of the trick, you give the cards to the spectators and they have a free choice. The only thing that you don't want them to do is you don't want them to go into the bottom 20 cards of the deck. So you say, take a card from somewhere in the middle, okay? Reach into the middle and take any card that you want. Don't make it too close to the top or bottom because we want it to be totally random. It's really Terrible excuse, but it seems to work and it seems to make sense. So run through the cards and just take any card you want and put it in front of the other person, like so. Hey, choose somewhere from the middle of the deck. So they choose it from anywhere in the middle of the deck and they put it in front of the other person, like so. These would be face down. And you say, we're going to add cards to these to make the value of 10. So you have them turn the cards face up. Now, jacks, queens, and kings are 10, and a 10 is obviously 10. So in this case, they wouldn't need to add any cards. And you have them turn the next 2 cards over on top of the deck, and then they would place their cards in front of the other people like this. We're cutting some high cards. So 10, again, you wouldn't put any cards on top of that one. The 9, this person would add 1 card, like so. Okay. And then for the final time, you can do this 3 times. For the final time, they turn the top 2 cards over like this, and again, they're going to put it in front of the other person like so. And then this is a better example. Now, they're going to add some cards. So ace is 1. So this person will go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this person is 3. So they would add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like so. Now, it seems totally random. They had a free choice of any card. They've also got really random cards face up, and there's a different amount of cards gone from each pile, which makes this seem impossible. You have them add up the cards in their pile. So that is 10 and 10 and 20, and ace is 1, so that's 21. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You have them put the 21st card in front of them, like so. This person would do the same thing. So 10 and 9 is 19, plus 3 would give us 22. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, puts the card in front of them like so. And it seems absolutely random, absolutely impossible, but these 2 cards will match every single time. And it is a fun trick with 2 decks that you can get into completely impromptu and is strong. It really is. So guys, if you like that, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and check out this playlist for the best, most viral videos I've ever put on this channel. I'll see you in the next one.